Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create read-only channel Discord PC. You are going to start by opening Discord. On your server, click at the top and select Server Settings. After this, you must go to the Roles section. You are going to click on Create Role, assign the desired name, assign a color, and click on Save Changes. After this, in the Permissions tab, in the Advanced Permissions section, enable the Administrator switch. Click Save Changes. When you complete it, click on the plus sign to create a channel. You must leave the text option active, enter the desired name, and click Create a Channel. You will see your channel created. After this, click on Edit Channel. Open the Permissions section. In Advanced Permissions, verify that it selects everyone. Checking this disables all options associated with sending messages. When you do, click Save Changes. Close the window. From Discord, right-click on a user, click on Roles, and now you can select this role that you have created read-only. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.